Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own custom chatbot using Character AI. A lot of people use AI tools, but not many realize how easy it is to build a character that talks, thinks, and behave exactly the way you design it. Today, I'll walk you through everything from building the character's personality, setting up responses, to giving it a backstory, traits, and speech style. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a fully customized AI character that feels almost like a person. So this is the application that in this video I'm going to use. The name of this application is Character AI. I have already installed it from the Play Store. Okay, so let's open it. So here you have to create an account. So I'm going to proceed with continue with my Google account. So I have selected my account here. So that's how it will fetch all of my details from my Google account in just a few seconds, and our account will be successfully created. As you can see that our account has been successfully created, and in the section you can see that it has given us a lot of multiple character AI that are the pre ready-made templates. Okay, so if you want to talk with the you want to make chat with any, so if you want to talk with any character AI, you can just simply talk here. You can also see the back end story of the character. But if you want to create your own character, so you have to click on this plus button. Okay, here you will get multiple options like creating a character, persona, scene, group chat, video, voice, and stream. So we are going to proceed with the character. So here you can name your character. Let's say we name our character Carter King. Okay, so this is the name of the character. Here you can uh, upload the photo of the character, or you can also generate. So it has given you some photos, you can choose any of them. So that's how you can create a character with a photo. Okay, so I've selected this photo, just so I will select next. Here you can write a greeting message, but if you don't have any specific text, you can also write for me with the help of AI. Okay, and there is also an option of the voice. So if you want to add a voice, you can select any of the voices available. So by default it has selected this one. Okay, so I have selected this
Good
voice,
day. Here
and
to make life a little less complicated.
so this is the greeting message that it has created, and you can also add AI greeting for new chats. Okay, so this is the first greeting, and if you want to add multiple greetings, you can add this. And after doing these steps, you will click next button, and as you can see that our character has been created. But if you want to make it public, you can public, or you can unlist as well. So let's suppose we want to change the visibility to public, so it will be publicly available to everyone. So if you want to add subtitles, description, add a character definition as well, it's totally up to you. So final step is to click on this create button, and that's how our AI chatbot will be created, and then you will be able to talk with your chatbot. Let me show you. So we have got the welcome message. So let's see, we are like, how are you, and where are you from? So let's see what kind of response it gives us. So it has given us a response. Carter would smile warmly and say, I'm great, thanks for asking. I'm from New York, specifically Manhattan. How about you? So as you can see that we have successfully created our chatbot, and we can also have conversation with our chatbot, and these conversations are the live conversation. So that was all about Character AI, how you can use it to create your or custom chatbot. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.